大家好，我的名字是张家瑞。我今日要教你安怎清你的洗衫裤间、洗我的fuck it, I'm just gonna do this all in English. Hi, my name is Ray Cheng. I'm an Airbnb superhost, and today I'm gonna teach you how to take out that burnt rubber smell from your dishwasher. That's right. I had a tenant that used my dishwasher, and not to their fault, but the coffee pot lid fell in and landed on the heating coil and fucked up my dishwasher. That's about a $700 dishwasher that I had to replace. So today I'm going to teach you how to clean it out with distilled vinegar, baking powder, baking soda. I got two just in case we like to have lots of fun. Clorox bleach, my favorite. The non-chlorine Clorox bleach for those concerned environmentalists out there. That's not me. And yes, during this whole process, we'll need a little Bekarovka and a little absinthe. Those are my secret ingredients. All right, first step, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna need to take this distilled white vinegar, and we're gonna need to do our first wash with distilled white vinegar open. So we're just gonna pour about 2 cups. Yep, getting to it, 2 cups. You know, I'm Asian, so we just estimate. Just pour whatever you want in. It's all gonna do its thing or not. Yeah. That looks about right. And, that's right. For every amount of liquid we pull, we're gonna get a little shot of absinthe. Just a little bit. Oh, here we go. Just a little bit. That is 140 proof. Bottoms up. So good. Oh my gosh. Whew. This is gonna be a fun day. I told you to do that.